So today I'm using these gorgeous weft tape extensions from Endaring. So this is what the bend looks like on the top of my head. So slightly rooted still, which I like. Then for the first section, I like to do a small bit at the bottom. I make sure that there's enough hair to cover the end of the pin tooth comb, so I know that when I put my hair up, you won't be able to see the weft extension. Then I line up the extension to how long I want it. Then cut it to size. For this bottom bit, I'm going to double it up because I like having a lot of weight at the bottom of the extensions to take the weight off the top of my head. Then I just stick it to the top of my hair, making sure to leave enough room that I'm able to flip it upside down on my head, which I do here. And because it's sticky, whichever of the hairs it sticks to, I like to pin up with it, which will be the ones that are captured between the tape. Then I take the other piece, the exact same size, flip my head over, and stick it to the bottom of it. I push it together as hard as I can with my fingers, but then also use these flat pliers to make sure it's really stuck on there.